Ever wondered who gifted the iconic Statue of Liberty to the United States? Well, it was none other than the French people. This colossal statue was a grand gesture from the French, marking the 100th anniversary of the United States Declaration of Independence. But this wasn't just a gift from the French government, oh no. Most of the funds required to build the Lady Liberty were raised through public donations from kind-hearted folks on both sides of the Atlantic. And where does this magnificent statue stand? Originally, it was erected on Bedloe's Island. However, in 1937, the island was aptly renamed Liberty Island, a fitting home for this symbol of freedom. So, the next time you see the Statue of Liberty, remember to thank our French friends for this monumental gift. The towering figure of the Statue of Liberty was not made overnight, nor was it made by one single person. The architectural genius behind its inner structure was none other than Gustave Eiffel, the same man who gave Paris its iconic Eiffel Tower. His design laid the groundwork for the statue's impressive stature, ensuring it would stand tall and strong for centuries to come. Yet the birth of this monument was not confined to one location. Despite being designed and largely constructed in France, the final assembly took place on American soil. In 1886, the pieces of Lady Liberty crossed the Atlantic Ocean to reach their new home, Liberty Island, New York. Here, the statue was pieced together, proudly rising against the New York skyline. The Statue of Liberty, then, is the result of international cooperation and ingenuity. Standing tall at over 305 feet, the Statue of Liberty is an impressive sight. This colossal figure, towering over Liberty Island, is crafted from structural steel, coated with a layer of copper. Over time, the interaction of copper with the elements has resulted in the statue's distinctive green hue, a process known as oxidation. But Lady Liberty is more than just a towering figure. In her left hand, she holds a book inscribed with the date July 4 MDC 16th. This represents the 4th of July, 1776, the day the United States Declaration of Independence was signed. In her right hand, she raises a torch high, a beacon of light and hope for those seeking freedom and a better life. Each detail, each symbol, has been thoughtfully designed and carries a significant meaning. So the next time you look up at the statue, remember the significance of each detail. The Statue of Liberty is more than just a physical structure. It carries a deep symbolism and a rich history. During the tumultuous times of World War I, the statue served a practical purpose as a lookout post for the U.S. Navy. From here, ship movements in New York Harbor were monitored. This role, however, did not overshadow the statue's more profound meaning. The Statue of Liberty has always been a beacon of freedom and democracy. Standing tall, she faces the Atlantic, her gaze meeting the countries of Europe. This positioning is no accident. It's a symbol of welcome, a silent greeting to those seeking freedom in the United States. The statue stands as a testament to the nation's promise of liberty and opportunity. But the symbolism extends beyond the statue's orientation and purpose. Take a closer look at the face of the statue. It's said to be inspired by the face of the mother of the statue maker, Frederick Auguste Bartholdi. A loving tribute from a son to his mother, immortalized in copper and steel. This personal touch adds a layer of humanity to the grandeur of the statue, reminding us of the people behind its creation. The momentous unveiling of the Statue of Liberty took place on October 28, 1886. This was no ordinary event. The ceremony was attended by the then President, Grover Cleveland. The unveiling marked a significant moment in history, not just for the United States, but for the world. The statue stood as a symbol of unity and friendship between nations. The Statue of Liberty, then, is not just a monument. It's a symbol of hope, resilience, and the everlasting pursuit of freedom. This remarkable structure continues to inspire millions around the globe with its powerful message of liberty and the promise of a better tomorrow. And so, the torch continues to burn brightly, casting its light on the path towards freedom and opportunity.